How to fix WeChat verification code not received. So let's get started. So first and foremost, open up the settings in your mobile device. After that, tap on apps. From here, tap on see all apps. And in this section, you have to search for WeChat application. Once you locate it, tap on it. Then you will land on app info page of WeChat. So first of all, scroll down a bit and then tap on storage and cache. There you'll have a button to clear cache. Tap on clear cache. Clearing the cache from the application will sometimes remove all the junk files from this device, which will help you to solve an error or glitch in the application in your device. Once you're done with that, go back. And again, under this app info page, there is a 4-stop button. Click on it. After you're done with that, again scroll down and then tap on permissions. Here, make sure you have allowed all the permission for WeChat. Tap on it and then allow the permission. Again, do the same with other as well. Allow all the permission for WeChat in your device. Now, once you have allowed all the permission, go back. And from here, scroll down and then tap on battery. Scroll down and here make sure you have selected the option that says optimized. After that, go back once again. Then tap on this option that says open by default. Here, make sure you have turned on this toggle that says open supported links. Now go back and all you have to do is restart your device. Press and hold your power button and then tap on restart. Once you restart your device, you will be able to fix the WeChat verification code not received problem. And you will receive a verification code from WeChat. That's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and like, and thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.